let me introduce our company briefly. SOCOpolymer Material, established in 2009, is a modern high-tech enterprise specializing in R&D production and also sales of super-absorbent polymer with over 12 years exporting experience. Our main products are agriculture SAP and also the industrial-grade SAP. Yeah, SOCO has own professional R&D team, two independent R&D center, and also agriculture expert to provide you the technical support and the solutions. Besides, we also have our own factory to provide with the advanced equipment to provide you the best quality product with plenty of the stocks. Yeah, so SOCO has served more than 100 countries and regions worldwide so far. We also have 5 overseas warehouses at the moment. Yeah, SOCO Agriculture SAP is the top 1 bestseller for exporting over 8 consecutive years. Yeah, we'll overcome the difficulties with technology and solve the worldwide with best quality product. Is the SOCO service principle. We undertake our whole heart to provide the client the best customer service. Yeah. Okay. Today, let's introduce some more about the agriculture SAP and also the industrial grade SAP. Let's move on to the agriculture SAP first. Yeah. Okay. I think this one. Okay, SOCO has developed 5 series of potassium agriculture SAP. Okay, the first one is X series. Okay, for this X series, it can help to improve the water holding capacity and to keep more water and nutrients for the plants. Yeah, so for this X series, it is more suitable for the sandy and loam soil. For the plants, example, the vegetables, crops, and the fruit trees for the planting, potted plants. Yeah. Okay, the next one is our F series. For this series, it is with a fast water absorption. It can help to limit the loss of water and nutrients due to the leaching. So for this F series, it is more suitable for the plants with fast rainfall during a short period, or for the plants which there's no need so much water during the maturity period. Okay, the next one, let's move to the this is the MP series. Yeah, so for the MP series, it is containing the nitrogen and also phosphorus element. So for this series, it's more suitable for the plants which especially request the nitrogen and phosphorus element. Okay, next let's move to our main product is Sdk series. For the Sdk series, it is with a strong gel stress after the water absorption, and it can help to improve the air permeability of the soil. Yeah. So for this Sdk series is more suitable for the clay and also loam soil. Okay. Next, let's move on. The last one is the MK series. So for the MK series, it contains microelement for the plants, and also it is with strong gel strength. So for this series, it's more suitable for the plants which request for the nutrients. Yeah, yes. Okay, this is our final series. Okay, so among the 5, the first one, X series and also Sdk series is our main products. Let's introduce a little bit. Okay. So, okay, next. Maybe let's show you the. Okay. This is the X series. The big particle size of 5 to 20 mesh size. Okay, another one is X series is 20 to 80 mesh size. Okay, so maybe you can show the soil. No, later on you can show the gel after water absorption. Okay, that goes 205 and 250. Yeah, this one. Yeah, you can see the difference. So after the water absorption is about 6 to 7 times bigger.
Can see this?
Yeah. Okay, next. So for this X series, it is more suitable, as mentioned, it's suitable for the sandy and also
Yes.
soil. Yeah, I will show you the soil. It's not sandy and also. Because for the sandy soil, it's easy for the water and nutrient leakage. Yeah, so better to choose the X series to improve the water holding capacity. Okay, the next, let's move on to the Sdk series. Okay. So we also have different particle size, 5 to 10 mesh, 20 to 40 mesh size. You can see the different particle size.
And I think I will show you gel.
Okay.
This one, yeah.
Okay. So you can see the difference after the water absorption. It's very strong.
This is the big one.
You can feel it. Yeah.
For 20 to 40 mesh. Okay. Back.
Okay, so if you are interested for our 5 main products or you want to know more information, don't forget to follow us in the other formats. I will show you how to follow.
Now you are seeing this page, and then you can click this follow button, and then you can into this page. And here now is call us, check now, send inquiry, and send back the orders. All this can come our online service and get more information on our products. Can you see here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Don't forget to click the like button.
Yes. Yeah. Is that a small heart?
Yes.
If you like, and you also can share our live show to your friends.
Yes. So if you have any questions, feel free to write down and send to us. We will answer you shortly.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, let's move on to the next part. Is our simulated experiment to show you how the effect of our SOCOpolymer. Yeah. Okay. Let's start the experiment.
This to here. This way. Okay. Can see. I think also this has to move away. Okay.
Okay. For this experiment, I will introduce a little bit first. Okay, we have added the same amount of soil in the middle part. So for the right, this is okay. This left part we make it as our testing group, and this right side we make it as a controlled group. Later on we will add in the SOCOpolymer into this left side. Okay,
Yes, I have this.
So now we add some amount of SOCOpolymer into this container.
No need to add too much.
Yes. So after that, mix evenly with the soil.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So for this experiment, each group divided by 3 parts. For the first part is to simulate the process of running. So for the middle part is to process of water absorption. The lower part is to display the water loss. Okay. Now we will add the same amount of water from the top.
Can see here. Same, I think it's 500 millimeter. Yeah.
Okay.
Then we will add that.
Okay. It's ready now.
At the same time.
Right. So you can see from this experiment, the water is leaking into the middle part. So okay, let's keep follow up, and we can check the result later on.
Cypress.
Okay, you can step forward. Okay, so let's give us some minutes for this experiment. So now maybe I can introduce them about the effect of on the soil for our SOCOpolymer. With using our SOCOpolymer, it can help to improve the soil structure and reduce the soil compaction. So for the sandy soil, it can sandy soil. Sandy soil here, just now I mentioned that the sandy soil is easy for water leakage and nutrient leakage. So using a SOCOpolymer, it can help to reduce the soil and nutrient leakage. Okay, for the clay soil, for the clay soil, because it is short of its lack of the air permeability of the soil. So with using our product, it can help to improve the soil air permeability. Yeah. Okay. So for the meanwhile, SOCOpolymer, it can help to promote the development of microorganisms in soil and also improve the utilization of organic matter in soil. Yeah, so there are many advantages for using SOCOpolymer. Okay, thank you for friends. Welcome to join our live show.
Yes, welcome.
Welcome. So if you have any questions, feel free to write down. We will answer you shortly.
Yeah.
Okay, the friends ask if the SOCOpolymer is safe for the agriculture. So some customers also worry if the SOCOpolymer is harmful for the soil or environment. Okay, so actually for your information, SOCOpolymer is eco-friendly. Our product is biodegradable. We have the biodegradable cert.
Yes.
Certified by BUV organization. Yes. Let's show you our certificate. We have the BUV certificate from the biodegradable from the BUV organization. Yeah. And also we have the cert like the heavy metal testing cert, STS cert. Yeah. To prove our product is 100% safe for the agriculture, so there's no worry. Our product is 100% safe for the agriculture.
And if you didn't see that the certificate clearly, and you can contact our online service and to get the copy to double check.
Yes.
Yes. You are now see this page and then follow up us, and then you can enter into this page, and there are 4 channels that you can contact us.
Okay. So please follow up with Alibaba. Our customer service will contact you shortly. Yeah. Okay.
I think that maybe the friends want to know how to how that the effect of
Yes. So maybe next part, let's show you some customer feedback from our clients. Okay. Let's take some materials. Yes. So we have this is our feedback from our friends customer for the tomato. Yeah, you can see from this picture. Yeah, maybe I think you also can. Okay. So for this tomato, this left side is with the SOCOpolymer. You can see that the size is much bigger. Yeah, you can see the weight below is 0.271, right? Yeah. So without SOCOpolymer is 0.155. So it's almost more than double weight for the tomato. So besides the tomato is with the SOCOpolymer, it is more tasty. Yes, more tasty. So
that enough water.
Yes.
Content. Yes.
Enough water and nutrients. Yeah. Okay. So it's amazing feedback. So the next, we also have the feedback from our Argentina customers for the oats. Yes. So you can see this with the SOCOpolymer. You can see there's so-called hydrogel around the root system. So with the SOCOpolymer, this also it looks
because that there is enough that water and oil and the root system is more stronger and now that the control lens you can see.
yes. Also the oat growth is better. Yeah. Root system is stronger. So with using SOCOpolymer, the client feedback the production increase up to 60%. Yes, amazing. Up to 60%. So we also have
This is fertilizer mixture
effect. So this is from our quick client. So they use our SOCOpolymer with also the organic fertilizer together. So with using our SOCOpolymer, you can see this line 1 and line 4, right?
Yes.
Is with SOCOpolymer. You can see the much difference. It increase the germination rate. Yes. Also the plants grows well. Meanwhile, it have to help the clients to save much water and increase the utilization of the fertilizer.
You see this the difference? This line and this is that line 2 and line 1. This one, yes. And this one is that 3 and 4.
Without SOCOpolymer, so you can
this
see
is only that the fertilizer.
Yes.
No polymer, and this is mixture with that the fertilizer and the SOCOpolymer. See?
Okay, next, we also have the feedback from our we have many. This one is the feedback from our American customer, right? For the potato. So you can, from the picture, you can see that this is with the SOCOpolymer. With the SOCOpolymer, the potato size is much bigger. So this is a control group without SOCOpolymer. So with the using our SOCOpolymer, the client feedback that the potato increase income is up to 35%. Also the increase the quality of the product.
Yes. The quality and also the quantity.
Quantity and quality. So we have many feedbacks from our clients. And if you are interested, feel free to contact us or follow us in the Alibaba. Our professional sales will provide you more information.
Regarding our package, the ceramic is ready now. Okay, you can see here. And go back the white and this one. Okay, as you can see it clearly.
Okay, so to start with, it means this simulated rain experiment. For this experiment, we put the SOCOpolymer into this testing group. This is without SOCOpolymer. After that, we add the same amount of water from the top. Now let's leave a few minutes. Now you can see that, whoa, so much difference.
Yes.
You can see from the middle part with the SOCOpolymer, the soil is more expansion and swelling. You can see the height is much higher, right? You have this, this is only soil and also some water and nutrients leakage.
You can see that
You
the
can
water
see
is
on the lower part.
yes.
You can see on the lower part.
Color is
It's
it's like
yellow.
yes.
So there are many water and nutrients leakage for this controlled growth. But you can see from this part, this is the SOCOpolymer. Using our SOCOpolymer, there's no water leakage and nutrient leakage. It's empty. So for this experiment, it's observable SOCOpolymer on the industrial
in the soil, and then starting that the waters and it will release to the plant root when it needs. And but now this one only kicked, not only the water and also that the nutrient.
Okay. So we just put aside first.
Yeah.
So
Here.
So if you are interested for this simulatory experiment, you want to know more, so please feel free to contact us in Alibaba or how to say,
You
just show you again how to follow us in the
Yes.
Alibaba.
Now you are in this page. I think here is that follow back on the top left.
Yes.
And then you can enter into this page. Into this page that there are 4 channels that you can contact us. Here is that call us, chat now, send inquiry and send orders.
Yes.
All this can contact our online service and get more information or any, I think, brochures and the test certificates you can get from us. Yes.
Yes.
Also free samples.
Yes. Besides, if you have any questions, just write down and send to us. We will answer you shortly. Yeah. Okay. So, welcome our new friends. Welcome to our live show.
Yes, welcome. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming. So, okay, some friends also want to know how to use our SOCOpolymer. Yeah, for the usage, we have 2 ways. The first one is dry application. We also another one is wet application. So let's show you a video first. You will see it's very easy for this SOCOpolymer application. Wait a moment. For the dry, I can introduce a little bit first. This is dry.
This is dry.
Yeah.
First, I think this you need to explain.
Okay, so we prepared the soil first. 1 liter soil. After that, we add in the SOCOpolymer dry powder. After that, we just mix the SOCOpolymer and soil evenly. Yeah, it's very easy. That's all. Okay, for the next, we also have the wet application. Later on, we'll show you the video. Yeah, so for the wet application, it's a little bit different. We need to prepare the hydrogel first. So firstly, we need to prepare the SOCOpolymer dry powder. After that, add in water to prepare the hydrogel first. Yeah. Oh, now.
Yeah,
Now. So, okay. So for this video, we already prepared the hydrogel. Yeah. So now let's prepare some soil first. After that, we add in the SOCO hydrogel. Okay, let's mix it.
It's very simple and easy to use it.
Yes.
No matter it is dry way or wet way.
Yes, it's very easy. The only difference for the wet application is you have to add water to prepare the hydrogel first.
Yeah.
Okay, so next, just now we did introduce about our 5 main series of the potassium SAP, and also we show you some customer feedback for our products, and also how to use our SOCOpolymer. Next, let's move on to our main part where our SOCOpolymer can be used. 8 applications of the SOCOpolymer. Okay, so yeah. You can see from the pictures. For the first one is the application for the fertilizer. So in the fertilizer, there are 2 ways. The first way is just mix SOCOpolymer and fertilizer together. It's very easy. Another way is we can add the SOCOpolymer during the production process of fertilizer. There are 2 ways. So with using our SOCOpolymer, it can help to increase the utilization of fertilizer up to 35, up to 60%.
Yeah.
This depends on
We just share that feedback from our
Yes.
customers.
It depends on the type of fertilizer too. Yeah. Okay. So for the next one is application on the greening project. with using the SOCOpolymer on the greening project, it can help to increase the germination rate and also the survival rate up to 99%. It also can help to store more water and improve the soil keeping capacity to prevent the soil slide. For the greening project. Later on, we can show you a simple video. Okay, next one is application on the horticulture. With using SOCOpolymer, it can help to extend the flowering time and also with receiving point, so to make the flowers, the plants more colorful and brighter. Okay, so next part, let's move to the main application is crops. Yes, crops. It can help to save and reduce irrigation up to 50%. Meanwhile, it can help to increase the production up to 30% or even higher. Okay, so the next part is application on the lawns. For the lawns, it can help to improve the survival rate up to 99% and also reduce the frequency of irrigation. As I understand, many clients inquiry for the lawns is short of the irrigation. So
because they much labor cost.
Yes, it can help to save much labor cost. Okay, so the next is the transplant, right? Transplant. So with using SOCOpolymer, it can help to make sure there's enough water during the transplant, so to increase the survival rate of plants. So this is most suitable for those transplanting for the trees. For the planting project. Okay, so for the next one is main application of the fruit trees. Fruit trees. So it can help to save much water. It's up to 50% or even higher. So meanwhile, it can help to reduce the cracking rate of fruit and improve the fruit quality. This is very important, and also can improve the fruit taste. So to help the farmers increase the production up to 30%. It's quite amazing. Okay, for the last one is the application of the vegetables. With using a SOCOpolymer, it can help to shorten the nurturing period, increasing the survival rate up to 99%. Also improves the quality of vegetables. Meanwhile, the most important to improve the production up to 30%. This is our main application for the agriculture SAP. If you are more interested, don't forget how to follow us. Please contact us by following us in the Alibaba.
This is like the follow button on the top left, and then you can click this. If you have interest with that, just about the such 8 applications and want to know more details how to use it and the dosage for different applications, you can contact us then with that the 4 channels like this here. Okay.
Don't forget to click the like button to like our live show.
Heart.
Yes. Heart button. Okay. So maybe let's show you some videos to see how our SOCOpolymer works on some applications.
I think the green project first.
Yes, this is very interesting.
This is feedback from our customers. And they mixed the SOCOpolymer with the seed and also other fertilizers and other materials, and then make it something like mud, and then sprayed by the machine on the hills.
So with using SOCOpolymer, it can help to improve the soil keeping capacity. Okay. So next, just now we also mentioned about the fruit trees application.
How to use it.
It's very interesting.
There are also that two ways. One is that the dry ways, and another is that the wet ways. Now let's start with the dry ways. It is the only thing in for the peach trees.
Okay, for the dry way is very easy.
Mm-hmm.
Just with the hole around the drip line first.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, after that, add in the so-called dry powder. It's very easy. After that, just cover back the soil. To supply enough water.
Yeah.
It's very easy for the dry application. That's all. Yeah, but if let's say the place is very dry, so we suggest to use another way, that is wet application. Okay, so we put at the hydrogel first. Okay, for this after that, for this wet application, the same. We dig the hole around the drip line. Okay, the depth is about 15 to 20 centimeters.
It is according the root
system. After that, we just add in the so-called hydrogel into the hole. And now let's cover back the soil. It's very easy to.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all. It's very easy. So yeah. So if you are interested, we can share the videos with you. Feel free to contact our professional sales. Okay. So we have time for the video.
Yeah, we will do it for that.
Let's show you other small.
First to show how for the transplant. Before transplanting.
Yes, this is more used for the transplant.
Yes,
We have already prepared this mat inside of the SOCOpolymer and also
water,
soil.
soil, these three things, And then make that the mat like this.
Yes.
And this is we prepare the small packs.
Yes, okay.
Put it this way. And then we will put the root into the mat. It's okay.
Yes. It's very easy. So you can see.
Now all the mat are on the root to prevent that the water losing.
So to ensure the plant root system with enough moisture and water.
During the transport. Just want to say that the transplant. Okay. So it's very easy. If you want to know that the ratio of water, soil, and SOCOpolymer, and can contact us and we will show you more details.
Again, follow us.
Yes, on the top left is that the follow button, and then you will enter into this page. There are 4 channels that you can contact us. So very easy. Can get more information is that what you want to know from us.
Okay. So thank you for coming. Thank you for coming our live show. Come on your best.
I want to get
your product.
Just now,
just
to show you. Follow us and contact us. Can get the catalog with our
catalog or free
service.
sample or video or product information. Just follow us in the Alibaba. Our professional sales will contact you shortly. Okay, so maybe let's move on to the next class first.
Yeah.
Okay, so as mentioned just now, we have the agriculture grade SAP. We also have the industrial grade SAP. Yeah. So we have a various SAP for different application. Let's say ice pack application with water solidification, instant snow, and also the oil drilling, paper powder, water blocking tape, and also let's say the animal litter, animal waste, and so on. So because we only have very limited time today, so and also many friends are very interested for SOCOpolymer on the ice pack manufacturing application. So let's introduce a little bit about the ice pack today. Yeah, hope you have a better understanding. Yeah. Okay. Okay. First of all, let me introduce three main types of ice pack.
I think this is that the main types in the market now.
Okay, so from this one first, this is a very common one. You should be very familiar. Okay, this one is a water-filled ice pack, so it's very easy. So it's just a so-called powder inside the plastic bag. After that, you can fill in the water from the top. Yeah, that's all very easy. Just leave it 3 to 5 minutes.
Yeah.
It's very easy. So another one.
I think it's this one.
Okay. Okay, this one is a biological gel ice pack. Inside is gel. It's not water, it's gel. It's not. Okay, so for this one, it's just with the so-called gel first, SAP add the water with
With the gel
with
first.
the gel first. So after that, just fill into the plastic bag to make this biological ice pack. Yes, it's very easy. So the last one, I mean,
I can show you that.
this is a very popular one. That private ice pack. You can see
This side is that I think that is PE or
PE film.
film, and this one is that the normal one that break, and they can absorb the water from this side, and very important thing inside. So the polymer inside.
Yeah, so polymer inside you can hear
And
the
then
sound.
yeah, you can hear the sound. Yeah, you can see, and then just put into the water. It will absorb that or attach that to the meat and the fruit, the seafood.
Yeah.
Like this. I think this is that the update
Yes, new version.
type. Yes, from this one.
We also have another type. It's a smaller size. It depends on your requirement.
Yeah, you can choose that the suitable size for you.
Yes.
Like this, it can like this or
You
this.
can cut.
Yeah, you can cut it, and then choose that the best size for you.
Okay. So there are three main types of ice pack in the market now. So where we can use the ice pack. So it's usually during the transportation of meat, seafood, and also fruit
and vegetables.
Yes,
Yeah.
vegetables.
And I think also some medical.
Yes,
that.
medical. Maybe this candle is good now.
Yeah.
This is a biological ice pack.
They also like to put the gel, I think, in the box. Right?
Yes.
That is it.
So why to use this gel type ice pack? Because compared with the water ice pack, it can keep longer cooling effect with better cooling effect. So okay, let's show you some advantage for our SOCO gel ice pack with using SOCOpolymer compared with the normal water ice. So for the first, let's say the strong cold storage capacity.
Yes.
And longer cooling. Yes, cooling time.
And another I think is because if it melts, it will not that become the water. It is still that the gel stays and will go out and then pollute the food.
Yeah. So with using our product, it can how to say, it can keep a longer cooling flash time up to 48 hours,
Yes.
even up to 72 hours. It's about 6 times better than the water type. Yeah. Besides, as Ivy mentioned just now, it's safe. It's under safe to use for the meat, food, and also the yes. So we have the oil drug tester.
Yeah.
We have the they have the oil drug tester, SGS.
It's fine.
Yeah, to prove our product is 100% safe. Yeah. So meanwhile, we also pass the inspection of related IATA inspection. So there's no worry for the safety and the environmental. Yeah. So another one is quite important is with using this kind of this kind of SOCOpolymer ice pack. You can see that the size is very small. Yeah. It is smaller packing size, so you can have to save the transportation costs. Meanwhile, our product can be reusable, right? So it can have to save costs up to 15 to 25%. Yes. Okay. So next, let's move on to our product. So for SOCO, we have introduced three types of SAP for different kind of ice pack. Yeah. So okay, where's the product?
Okay, here. You only that.
Okay. So there are 3 models.
This one is 760.
Yes.
It's suitable, I think, for that the water fuel.
Yeah.
This one. For this kind. Ice pack. Yes. See? Here is that. This one. And another one is that
580.
is that for the gel ice pack.
Yes.
You can see. Always the white powder.
Yeah, all the white powder. You only can see the model difference.
Yes.
No worry, later I will show you a simple video
Yes.
to see the difference.
Difference.
Okay.
Also.
So we have different kind of SOCOpolymer for different kind of applications. Now let's show you the video first. We have a better understanding.
What difference our products?
Yes.
We do ourselves.
That's the difference.
The music is good. You see that the difference?
Now it's fully water out.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Just now we already show you the simple video about our product difference. Let's introduce a little bit about our products. Yeah. As we mentioned just now, for the 760 models, right? It is a large water absorption rate, right? Especially during the 3 hours, it's up to 400 times. So for this type of SOCOpolymer, the price also cheaper. So but the water's absorption speed
is slow.
compared with other models, the speed is slower. So Okay, the next one, let's move to
Yes, this is model 580. Yeah.
580. So the 580 is with fast water absorption. This is the advantage. Meanwhile, after the water absorption, it is with a strong gel strength.
Yeah.
And meanwhile, it with good water locking capability.
Yeah.
So okay, so this is the most popular models for all kind of aspect.
Yes,
Mm.
all aspect
Yes.
can use this one. Yeah.
It's very popular model. For the next one is 813. It's a three model. This is our new product. It is with a fast and also light water absorption. So after that it can have the high degree of expansion after a few minutes.
So you can save that the
Yes.
dosage
Yes,
for the
you can
customers.
save the dosage.
You can, according to the
Yes.
the test and also feedback from our customers, you can save that the dosage about 20 to 30%.
Yes, we also make the testing before. Yeah, it can save up to 20 to 30%.
Yeah.
Okay, so just now
Okay, so
we can show you again. So for different models, they have for different applications.
this one is for this.
Okay, so 760 and also this 580. Yeah, you can use for this water-filled ice pack.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So
For this one,
biological.
Yeah.
You can choose this 580. Yeah. Also this 760 most model can use. But if you want to have a better effect, you can consider this as 580. Yeah. 580 is the most popular product for the ice pack.
because these three types all can use this one.
Yes.
It's just need to consider that the cost. Yes.
Okay, for the last one, well, this is the most popular ice pack. Okay, they have this 580 and also 3813.
Yeah.
Both products can use for this sample priming ice pack applications.
Yes.
Okay,
That
so
we
because
also that to make some.
because today we only have the limited time, also cannot prepare the other type of aspect to show you. So today, let's show you the sample priming aspect.
You can see that these three types are the effect in the ice pack, and then we just make that the self-absorbing that the types, and then you can see that the difference. I think this because this is easy.
Yes, let's show you how we make this kind of self-priming aspect.
You can show that our friends that we mark the different types of the bags.
This is another magic for SOCOpolymer. Okay. So we prepare the same amount of water first, and also prepare this kind of same amount and also same size of ice pack as the SOCOpolymer inside. Okay, three models. I see three models.
Yeah.
Okay, I will get started.
And you have
Let's show the magic.
Yeah.
The same time. Okay. Just put it inside.
Just ask that let the non-woven fabric slide into the water. Let's wait.
Let's wait.
35 minutes.
Okay. So let's keep it here for a while. Let's show you how we make this kind of how the production of this self-priming
Because
ice pack.
but some friends just know it and don't know how to produce it.
Let's show you first.
Here. Let's see. is because that at the first there is that how to produce. It's only about I think not that more than 20 seconds to show how to produce it, and then we'll introduce this ice pack again in the video. You can see that how to use it. It is the one.
No problem. The next time we can show another video. Oh, okay.
Yes, this one. Okay, let's go ahead.
No problem. So it's very easy. It's just now we want to show you how the this self-timing aspect made. So it's very easy. It's by advanced equipment. Yeah. So okay. Now let's see the difference for our simple experiment.
Yeah. Taking that plate.
And this one is about 1 minute, right? It's only 1 minute. But you can see the difference. Wow, this you can see this 813 model because it's with the fast and also large water absorption. It's already expansion.
Yes. What's that? The size is different.
What's the model? This one.
This
Okay.
is let's wait. It's very fast.
Yeah, it's very fast. For this one is our 580H model. For this model, it is with a fast water absorption. So yeah, so it will be. You can see the obviously the expansion. Okay. So meanwhile, for our 580 model, it with good water
locking capacity.
Yes. So maybe we'll just leave it for another 2 minutes to see the difference. If we take out, then the experiment will be different.
Yes.
Okay, so let me introduce a little bit. Just now we mentioned that this is 813 models with the fast and also the largest water absorption. Yeah, this is our latest model, specially designed for the ice pack applications. Yeah. Okay. So because of its special advantage, we also did some tests before. It can have to you can reduce the dosage of SOCOpolymer up to 20 to 30%. Yes, to save your cost. To save your cost. Yeah. Because that's why I take all the
You take it.
Yes, that's why. Okay, for our 8580 model, so it's with a fast water absorption. So and also as mentioned, good water locking capability. So yeah, so this is the most popular models for the ice pack application. Can be used for all 3 types of ice pack.
Yes. All three.
All 3 ice pack.
I think this is the most popular for our customers too.
All over the world to choose this 580 models. Okay, so for the 760 models, it's it is with large water absorption, but for the overall performance, it's not so good as 580. But it still can use for some applications. Let's say for this, for this kind of ice pack. Yes.
I think because that its advantage is not good that to lock in the water.
Yes.
Than that the compared with that the 580.
Later on, after 3 minutes, let's show you the difference.
Yes. Let's take it. Yes.
We can show you a simple one.
Yes, I say that we did that before the show. Need to find that. It's okay.
Okay, you can see from the video, to use the dry tissue. Okay, the difference from these 3 models. Okay, from this simple video, you can see the 3 models are much difference on the application for this priming aspect. And as you know, the time is ready, right?
Yeah,
Okay, let's see the next.
Yeah, let me prepare that.
Okay, let's put on the plate, right? Because now it's a little bit bad.
Yes, we need to.
For our first.
Yes. Let's add the water on the surface. Let's wait a moment. Okay. Okay. Let's see. This one.
Okay, for this aspect application, usually how we test it is we just touch
it
on the
and
surface and feel
yes,
if it is sticky or dry.
And also that we can press.
Yeah, you can
Press
press
it.
Mm.
You can see that the difference.
Okay, happy? Yeah, show you the
We
difference.
see that the 760 and also 580,
Mm.
and you can see that. This
You can
see
see the
do you see
difference.
the difference on the surface? They
Yeah.
are also letting that
So
water,
much water
Yeah.
on the
but in
surface
580,
is very dry.
Yeah.
So that's what we mentioned just now. 580 is a good water locking capacity. So the surface is very dry.
Yeah.
Let's test.
And I just want you how to describe it because you cannot touch it.
Yes. Okay, let's show you a simple test.
Yeah.
By using this tissue paper. This is a very dry tissue paper.
Yes.
Let's one by one.
I think you better because mine is better.
Okay.
Water. This one. I need to dry my finger.
Okay, so this is the model 580. Okay,
Yeah.
that's the
Yeah.
tissue is very dry. Yeah, there's no water leakage.
Yeah.
Okay, for the next one is all
760.
760 model. Yeah, you can see on the surface also have much water.
Yeah.
If you touch, you can see that there's much water leakage. So yeah, this don't mean our 760 is not good, but this is not suitable for this self-priming aspect. Yeah.
And this is that.
Okay.
Eight plastic.
Okay. You can see this very
It's also dry.
very dry. So besides for this one, also reduce the dosage for this experiment. Okay. So if you are interested for our products on the iPad application, feel free to contact us. Don't forget to follow us in the Alibaba. Let's show you how to follow us.
Yeah. On the top left.
Yes.
And here. there is a follow button and you can enter into this page. There are 4 channels that you can contact us. Call us, chat now, send inquiry, and send order. Then you can get the contact with our online service. And then you can get more information, even samples, and also we have the bags. And okay, just follow us.
Just
And
don't forget to click the heart button.
Yes, like us.
Yeah, like us. Okay, thank you for our friends to join our live show.
Yes, thank you and welcome.
Some friends asking about the package. Oh,
Package.
okay, we can show you the package.
I think that the small ones are from your side.
Let me see. I have that.
Here. The regular one.
Let's introduce the regular one. This is our
This is because we introduced our products of agriculture grade and also for the ice pack. This type is at 25 kg for the potassium polyacrylate, which is for the agriculture.
Yes.
And this one, the regular size is at for the 20 kg. Yeah. And this is for the industry one and for the for the ice pack.
Okay.
Besides this regular package, we also can supply that the customized package service for use. Yes.
Such as this kind of aluminum foil, small packaging, we can put the sticker on side. Okay, we also have this craft bag, small craft bag.
Another one is that the printing.
Yeah,
Plastic printing. Yeah. You can see. You can put the label on,
Yes.
And also you can choose that the printing on.
Yes. We can customize the packaging
Yes.
on your requirement.
Yeah.
So if you have any requirement, feel free to contact us.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, time is very fast.
Yes.
Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining our live show today. And I believe you have a better understanding about our SOCOpolymer on the agriculture application and also the ice pack application. So if you are interested in our product,
Yes.
please contact our customer service. Our professional sales will give you more details. Don't forget how to follow us.
Yes. I think here it's okay, and then enter into here. And then you also can find us. Okay.
So, we have
I need to find it.
okay.
So,
So this is we have a big surprise waiting for you in March.
Yeah.
So let's look forward another next live show in March for more surprise. Yeah. Hope you have a wonderful time with us together today.
yes, and we're also looking forward
To see you next time.
There is a big surprise in March live show.
Yeah. So big surprise.
Yes. Let's looking forward.
Let's looking forward. Okay. Thank you for joining us, and let's see next live show.
Yes. Okay.
Bye
Bye. Have a nice
Have a nice day.
day. Bye.
bye. Oh.